I had no idea this thing was so fluffy. Oh my Jesus, good God in heaven. Hey there, welcome to my channel. This is the Aria Lifestyle, and we are going to do an Amazon fashion haul. If it's your first time here on the Aria Lifestyle, I hope you consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos on a Tuesday and on a Friday. I must first apologize for being a little hoarse. I haven't been so well the last couple of days, but I'm okay today. I really wanted to bring you this haul of some stuff that I got on Amazon. Guys, Amazon has really stepped up their game, and I have 5 pieces that I'm going to share with you today. I'm not going to be very long. It's going to be a quick haul. So number 1 is going to be my Letterman or varsity jacket, whichever one you want to call it. And I thought this was really cute. I know, guys, you're going to say, well, Aria, you only wear white. Well, of late, I've been only wearing white, but sometimes you got to know when to bounce in a pop of color, or in this case, a pop of colors, right? And as you can see here, I am wearing it with all white. So I have on a simple all white tank and shorts, and I'm pairing it with the Letterman jacket. And as you can see, I simply have on some white sneakers, and I have topped it off with a yellow crossbody bag, right? All these items are from Amazon. So that's my item number 1. If you want, you can wear the jacket closed with a crossbody, or you can wear the jacket open. Whichever way, it's a nice pop to just the white, the plain white. So that's my Amazon find number 1. Now for number 2, we're going to move into this bodysuit. Guys, Amazon, this is the second bodysuit I have bought from Amazon. I must say I'm very impressed with the quality of this material, guys. It's very thick, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through or anything. And you can wear your spandex under it. And, you know, if you need to be wearing the spandex to clutch you, to clinch you right there in the center, it's quite fine. Now, if you're brave enough to wear the bodysuit or jumper or romper or whatever you want to call it alone, then go right ahead. If you feel confident and you want to go for it, that's fine. It can be worn alone, and you could probably just pair it with a belt or just accessories and a nice pair of shoes. It's really up to you. What I have done here is I have chosen to wear it with my Zara jacket, jean jacket, denim jacket, and I have really just dressed it down where I'm playing with colors. So as you can see, I'm wearing it with a bright colored sneakers. I'm wearing it with bright colored socks. And I also have on a nice pink clutch bag, crossbody bag, I must say, also from Amazon. So guys, I'm going to link all these items below in the description box so that if you would like to purchase any of them, then you can go right ahead. So the bodysuit is my Amazon find number 2, right? So I have decided that I want to pair it like this. It's fun, it's casual, it's cute. You can dress it up if you want with nice pumps or chunky heels, whichever way you want to go. But this bodysuit is a nice staple to have for the spring because you can dress it up or dress it down any way you want, right? So that's item number 2. My Amazon find number 3 is going to be this really cute top. I was buying this top because of the color, but when I looked at the pictures and saw that the back was cut low, I'm like, oh my God, this is just super cute, super gorgeous. Now I have decided, and you can see here, that I'm pairing it with a pair of tailored pants also of the same nude color. Now guys, isn't this just classy and gorgeous? The monochrome of this silhouette is just to die for. It's taking my breath away. I just love it. I swear I'm gonna wear this weekend somewhere. I'm gonna find somewhere to wear this to, because this is just too cute. And if you notice, I have paired it with my nice fancy bag with the glitter, and same with the stiletto heels of glitter. Really nice combination, really dressed up, classy look, guys. I'm just loving this look. This look is to die for. This is probably my favorite find from this set of Amazon stuff that I bought. Right, so that's my Amazon find number 3. Now let's move on. Oh, before I move on, I hope you noticed the pearls. So I have stepped up the game with the bejeweled shoes and bag and the nice white pearls. Nothing says more of class than pearls, guys. That's in my opinion. You can do whatever you want in terms of dressing it up, but the pearls are doing it for me. Then we're going to move on to Amazon find number 4. Now, number 4 is going to be that nice puffy cream jacket, guys. This one is just like the black one I had in the haul before. I know it looks warm, but it's not that warm. It's really just thin enough to keep you warm, but not winter warm. You know what I'm saying? So if you go somewhere and the AC is on, just like the Letterman jacket that I showed you before, these jackets, they look like they're super warm, but they're pretty lightweight and they can be worn just for going out in the evening. If you just want something that you're a little cold in the AC, so you just want to put it on. And yeah, so this one, I really liked it. And if you notice here, I am putting it with the same classic outfit that we had before with that cute top. And I am using it to, you know, warm up when I'm going out on the town in this lovely classy outfit, guys. Right, so that's outfit number 4, Amazon find number 4. And for the final look, guys, it's what I'm wearing. When I bought this, I had no idea this thing was so fluffy. Oh my Jesus, good God in heaven, this thing is super flowing. It's just, oh Jesus. Yes, but guys, it's beautiful. I love it. And as you can see, this is one that I can add to my professional outfits. Now, when I'm going into PhD zone, this dress fits perfectly. So maybe one day I'll do a haul where I bring you into my wardrobe and show you what I call my PhD dresses, guys. So this is when Aria goes in academic PhD mode. If I have like a conference, or if I'm doing a guest lecture somewhere, or I'm just in my whole nerdy zone, these are some nice dresses. And guys, the material is so thick. You don't need to wear anything under this one. You know, if you want to wear your spandex, you can go ahead, but you don't have to wear anything under this one. Wear the proper underwear and you're good to go. So this one can be added to my professional wardrobe. If you notice, I've paired it with monochrome colored bag. This kind of similar tone in blue, like the dress, my bag. And it's a little bigger, like a tote. And this can be, you know, I can wear this to like a meeting, or I can wear it to a tea party, or I can wear it to a wedding, guys. This is a beautiful outfit, and I've paired it with the same bejeweled shoes, dressy pumps that I had on before. And guys, that's my final outfit. Can I tell you, I did not want this haul to be long, and guys, that's the end of it. So those are my 5 Amazon finds, and that ends my Amazon haul for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which one is your favorite outfit. Let me know which one you think you would buy, which one you think, you know, says me the most, which one you think fits me the best, which one you think would fit you the best. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. You know, it's always good to hear from you. And for those of you who are not yet subscribers, I hope At this point, you will consider subscribing to my channel and become a part of the Aria Lifestyle family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos on a Tuesday and a Friday, you will be notified. Love you guys. Peace out.